Welcome to another CAAN Tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're diving into the pros and cons of installing a privacy fence for your home. Privacy fences are a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their outdoor space, but is it the right decision for you? Pro 1. Increased privacy. As the name suggests, privacy fences provide a secluded space, away from the eyes of neighbors or passers-by. This is perfect for families who enjoy outdoor activities without interruptions. Pro 2. Noise reduction. A solid privacy fence can act as a buffer, reducing noise from the surrounding area and creating a quieter, more peaceful environment in your backyard. Pro 3. Added security. Privacy fences also add an extra layer of security by blocking the view into your property, making it harder for potential intruders to scope out your home. But of course, there are a few cons to consider as well. Con 1. A huge cost. Privacy fences, especially if built with high-quality materials like wood or vinyl, can be expensive to install. The price includes both materials and labor, so it's important to budget carefully. Con 2. Maintenance. Depending on the material, privacy fences may require regular maintenance. Wooden fences, in particular, need to be stained or painted to withstand weather conditions and prevent rot. Con 3. Zoning restrictions. In some areas, local zoning laws or homeowners associations may limit the height or type of privacy fence you can install. Always check local rules before making a decision. Let's recap. 1. Privacy fences provide increased privacy and security. 2. They help reduce noise. But 3. They can be costly to install and maintain. And 4. Local regulations may limit your options. Now that you know the pros and cons, you can make an informed decision about whether a privacy fence is right for your home. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.